Welcome to McPlum, simple solutions served daily.
In this video, I will show how to make lemonade at home with mint step by step. Start by juicing 6 lemons into a pitcher, add 1 cup sugar, 4 cups cold water, and stir until sugar dissolves. Gently bruise a handful of mint leaves to release aroma, then add to the pitcher and chill for 30 minutes. Serve over ice and garnish with a mint sprig for a fresh finish. Measure ingredients precisely when scaling up. Double the lemons and water but keep sugar ratio to taste. For a clearer lemonade, dissolve sugar in 1 cup hot water before adding cold water, then cool. For a brighter mint flavor, make a simple mint syrup by simmering mint with sugar and water, cool, and stir in. This preserves color and aroma and blends evenly for consistent flavor. Serve chilled for best results. If you're enjoying this guide, please subscribe and like the video to support more recipes and tips. Quick recommendation: books read anywhere with the new Kindle Paperwhite, a cozy companion when sipping lemonade on the patio. Check the description for the link and other deals if you want one. I'll be right back with the next step. Thanks for the support, it helps the channel grow, and now let's get back to the video. Always taste and adjust sweetness before chilling, because cold mutes flavors. Start slightly sweet and balance with lemon. Store leftover lemonade in a sealed container in the fridge for up to 3 days, but remove mint after 24 hours to prevent bitterness. When serving, add crushed ice and a sprig of mint, or use frozen lemon slices to chill without watering down the drink and to add a decorative, flavorful touch.
Thanks for watching. Stay juicy and subscribe.